Welcome back to another unboxing video, guys. Today we're going to be unboxing the ProMark Finesse Maple Round Tip Drumstick 2B from ProMark, which is also wood. I know I had gotten a couple of like a ProMark the Rebound, which is pretty cool. I like. But I'm actually, one of my other buddies told me to try this specific one if I like that basic one. So yeah, let's see how this one sounds and stuff. Man, they really put stuff into this to make sure that we don't get it out of the way. So yeah, guys, let's see what happens and we'll go from there. Ow. All right, here it is. So we got the ProMark 2B Maple Finesse, and oh my gosh, I can already oh my gosh, I actually like these. Wow. Okay, so these almost feel like Rebound, but you can obviously tell they're maple. Yeah, this is awesome. It's not heavy, so you get like a lot of rebound no matter where you're at. Like, I'm usually, drummers put it, they usually have it here or at the very bottom. But even at the very bottom, I guess because of the round tip right here, it helps it, be able to make your basically your rolls pretty good. Dang, this is pretty good. The only thing is, obviously it's maple. It's not hickory, so it is kind of light. I actually like that it's kind of light, but I love the fact that it's 2B and has this taper right here. It's amazing. So I don't know how it sounds. I don't have my drums with me right now, but I know it's not gonna sound as loud as a hickory. But man, these are literally amazing. 16 inches, obviously. I'm actually gonna try these at practice to see if I'm able to, but I have a feeling that they're gonna sound pretty good. I mean, I love the rebound a lot, so I'm not sacrificing a lot of like how do you say it? But man, I'm actually curious how it's gonna sound with the cymbals, especially with these round tips. I've never had round tips. Usually I have acorn, but these are awesome. I was like, man, I don't know about maple. It's gonna be light, but I don't know how. And I think these will probably take a beating. They might not take a beating on this side because I know they'll probably break. But we'll see how long they'll last, depending. But man, but this is this is great. This is great. All right, guys, once again, this is the ProMark 2B. Once again, here's some additional information if you're interested in purchasing these. Maple Finesse 2B. The finish is lacquer, 16 inches, 6.25 diameter, and it's a small round tip compared to the acorn tip. So yeah, it's great. I was kind of worried about these, but we'll see how they sound. But so far, this is great, man. I'm kind of stoked about this. Let's see how I'm able to do it at practice. I know a lot of people like want that extra length in the drums, but man, this kind of made my day. And yeah, so if you guys have any questions, let me know. The other drumsticks I usually get are, I've gotten several that are like the metal ones. I think they're about this big compared to this. I mean, yeah, it's like, nah, I'm gonna stick with these. So far, I like the smaller drumsticks because I have more complete control. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. This pretty much solves it. Once again, this is a ProMark Maple Finesse 2B. Here's additional information. Once again, finish lacquer, 16 diameter, and small round tip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions about these sticks. Oh my gosh, dude, it's just It's so much control. It's so much control!